Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, specifically we'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have here, but even if you have a different year, that generation video will work as well. You guys have two fuse boxes. One will be located right under the hood on your Ford F-150 above the radiator. We don't need this one, we'll be working the one that's inside, guys. Now, there is another video that we made about the driver power seat fuse, but this is just for the switch. So that fuse box will be located under the glove box on the right side, and once you open it, that fuse box will look like that. So by showing it that way, you can clearly, guys, see all the fuses. Otherwise it's almost impossible to get the camera in there. So before we start checking the two fuses for the driver seat switch, let's explain, guys, okay, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which fuses we need to check, guys? If you come right here in the very left row right here, from top to bottom, even if you have a missing fuse, you count the space, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 20 amp fuse, you need to check that fuse, guys, right here. And then you need to go to fuse number 7, 6, 7, that's 7.5 amp fuse. So this and this fuse, these two fuses needs to be checked. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.